How's it going tonight, guys? Alright, tonight we have a full Donruss 2022 Fat Pack box. Break number 410. Auctions were ending yesterday, and we did have some Facebook teams that sold as well. Appreciate you guys' support. Seth, Moberly, Mike, Dan, Dale, Armin, and Jason. So as you can see, these things are in here tight. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 packs. There's our empty put our 410 up there on the top. Alright, we can get downtowns in these, so we're definitely looking for a downtown. We got the blue press proofs as the exclusives for these packs, so a little bit different from the reds that you can get out of the blasters. I didn't get a chance, Jimmy, to see about tomorrow, but they may be available. I'm doing the same set of 2 breaks on Saturday and Sunday, so I mean, Commanders may pop up. Alright, start off, we got Daniel Jones, Tremaine Edmonds, Terry McLaurin, Joe Mixon, Trayvon Diggs, Josh Allen, Kenneth Gainwell, Dan Marino, Darren Waller, Derek Brown, Derwin James Jr., Tom Brady, Koromoa, PS2, Kyle Pitts, Roquan Smith, Nico Collins, Aaron Rodgers, DeForest Buckner, Van Jefferson, Ryan Tannehill, Nick Bosa, and for the rookies we have Channing Tindall for the Dolphins, Bo Milton, Seahawks, Jamison Williams for the Lions. Got a little insert here backwards, and another Jamison Williams, this time on the Elite Series for Detroit. Back-to-back hits there for Steve. Blue press proofs, we have Cam Akers, Mike Gesicki. Ooh, yellow on the rated rookie. George Pickens for the Steelers. And then we have more yellow. Chase Claypool on the vet. Blue press proof. So all rated rookies and blues will be sleeved. All the top rookies and superstars will be top loaded. Pack number 2. Kadarius Toney, Montez Sweat, Corey Davis, Tyler Boyd, DeMarcus Lawrence, Thurman Thomas, Jalen Hurts, Jalen Phillips, Juju Smith-Schuster, Chuba Hubbard, Austin Eckler, Chris Godwin, Kareem Hunt, DJ Moore, Keenan Allen, Akeem Hicks, Walter Jones, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Jonathan Taylor, Cooper Kupp, Drew Lock, Michael Brockers. Rated rookies are Carson Strong, Zamir White for the Raiders, Jeremy Ruckert, and our insert is a Road to the Super Bowl Von Miller. Blue Press Proofs Penei Sewell, Marcus Peters. Rated rookie blue is a Kobe Bryant for the Seahawks, and Max Crosby. Alright, pack number 3. Marquise Brown, Quinnen Williams, Justin Jefferson, Darius Slayton, Jordan Poyer, Zach Wilson, Joe Burrow, Drew Brees, Tony Romo, John Elway, Michael Vick, Hunter Renfrow, Brian Burns, Joey Bosa, Reggie Wayne, Isaiah Simmons, Caleb Farley, Trey Lance, Khalil Mack, Brandon Cooks, David Bakatari, Kwity Paye, rated rookie Arnold Ebiketie, Sky Moore for the Chiefs. Chiefs going out to Rodrigo Martin Emerson. And our insert is a Dominators DK Metcalf. Blue Press Proof Bud Dupree, Antonio Gibson. Rated rookie blue is a Nick Benito for the Broncos. Travis Kelce blue, and then we have a kid reporter. Jamar Chase, Zeke. Where do you guys think Zeke's going to end up at now that he got cut by the Cowboys? Gabe Davis, Jalen Reagor, Patrick Queen, CeeDee Lamb, Anthony Barr, Patrick Mahomes, AJ Terrell, Bo Jackson, Alvin Kamara, Carson Palmer, Jerry Jeudy, TJ Watt, L'Jarius Sneed, Elvin Bethea, Kyler Murray, Travis Etienne, Brandon Ayuk, Cole Kmet, Jordan Brooks, Marvin Jones Jr. There's a Kenny Pickett for the Steelers. Steelers going out to Steven. Jahan Dotson for the Commanders. Boy Mafe. What's going on, Matt? Trey McBride on the canvas. And for our blue press proofs, we got a Christian Kirksey. Zeke color match for his former Cowboys. Blue press proof rated rookie Jordan Davis and Jameis Winston. I see you end up with the Bengals in the 411, Matt. All right, next pack. Clinton Portis, Michael Carter. Yeah, no problem. I'm going to do invoices right after I get done on this one. Rashawn Gary. And also update the break post. I posted a Prism Hobby mixer if anybody's interested in hopping in. If it fills, we can break it tonight. If not, we'll try for tomorrow. Eric Kendricks, Devontae Smith, Myles Gaskin, Chase Young, Cameron Jordan, Donovan Peoples-Jones, Alberto, Mitch Trubisky, Tony Gonzalez, Christian McCaffrey, Justin Herbert, T.Y. Hilton, James Conner, Tony Baselli, Joe Montana, David Montgomery, Sean Alexander, Devontae Adams, Carson Wentz, rated rookies Keontae Ingram, Drake London for the Falcons going on to Zach, Roger McCreary, and then our insert is a Ryan Tannehill Elite Series for the Titans. Blue press proof Laramie Tunsil. A nice blue Dak for the Cowboys. Color match there. Going off to Christopher. Blue rated rookie is Kayvon Thibodeau for the Giants. And then we have a Adam Troutman for the Saints. Also, if you guys decide to get in another break for tomorrow night or Sunday night, and already have teams for tonight, just shoot me a message and I can do combine your shipping to give you that discount as well. Dexter Lawrence, Mike Gesicki, Antonio Gibson, Kyle Duggar, Marcus Peters, Dak Prescott, Randy Moss, Mac Jones, Robbie Anderson, Levante David, Deontay Johnson, Creed Humphrey, Deion Jones, Trayvon Moehrig, Jameis Winston, Matthew Stafford, Kevin Byard, Tyler Lockett, Jared Goff, Warren Moon, Rondale Moore, James Robinson. For the rated rookies, we have Tyrion Davis-Price, Christian Harris, and Dameon Pierce for the Texans. And then insert is a Dominators Matthew Stafford, Blue Press Proofs Zach Ertz, Gabe Davis, rated rookie Carson Strong for the Eagles. And then we have some orange for the Bengals here, Evan McPherson. Marlon Humphrey, Dalton Schultz, Donovan McNabb, Johnny Smith, J.K. Dobbins, Vinny Testaverde, Kirk Cousins, Travis Kelce, Grady Jarrett, Max Crosby, Adam Troutman, Chidobe Awuzie, Mike Alstott, Najee Harris, J.C. Horn, T.J. Hawkinson, Christian Kirksey, Zach Ertz, Trevor Lawrence, Von Miller, Rex Burkhead, A.J. Dillon. Rated rookies are David Ojabo, Brian Robinson Jr., and Derek Stingley Jr. Insert is purple. We have Ray Lewis on the Legend Series for the Ravens. Ravens are going up to Jason. Blue Press Proof Von Miller. Patrick Queen. Rated rookie, some green. Maybe we got a Garrett Wilson here. Or Jeremy Ruckert. And then yellow on our last one, Cameron Hayward. Leonard Williams, Devontae Parker, Logan Thomas, Ramondre Stevenson, Odafe Owa, Greg Rousseau, Darius Slade Jr., Jacoby Myers, Vita Vea, Dan Fouts, Greg Newsome, Mecole Hardman Jr., Cordell Patterson, Kenyon Drake, Michael Thomas, Peyton Manning, Cam Akers, Bud Dupree, Ronnie Lott, Penei Sewell, Laramie Tunsil, DeAndre Hopkins, Chris Olave for the Saints, Kyler Gordon, Trayvon Walker, Champ is here, Darrell Henderson for the Rams, Rex Burkhead, blue, CeeDee Lamb color match for the Cowboys, and then our blue rated rookie is a Keontae Ingram, and Nick Bolton for our last blue going out to the Chiefs. Alright, we got 4 more chances at finding one of those downtowns. Gus Edwards, Amari Cooper, Dalvin Cook, Azeez Ojulari, Jalen Waddle, Deshaun Watson, Matt Judon, Evan McPherson, Cortland Sutton, Cameron Hayward, Nick Bolton, Antonio Gates, Devin White, Chase Claypool, Jalen Ramsey, Darnell Mooney, Michael Brockers, Jair Alexander, Laviska, Sony Michel, Christian Fulton, DK Metcalf, Terrell Bernard for the Bills, Trent McDuffie, Aiden Hutchinson, rated rookie for the Lions, and we have a 92 throwback of Derek Carr. There's a nice second year blue press proof T-Law for the Jags. Jaguars going up to Zach. Jalen Reagor. Zamir White, blue press proof rated rookie for the Raiders. And a Cortland Sutton for the Broncos. Going out to Dale. Kenny Galladay, Devin Singletary, Fletcher Cox, Nelson Aguilar, Mark Andrews, C.J. Mosley, Adam Thielen, Tyreek Hill, Matt Ryan, Josh Jacobs, Marquez Callaway, Sam Hubbard, Nick Chubb, Bradley Chubb, Jake Matthews, Fred Warner, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Jonathan Greenard, Kurt Warner, Buda Baker, A.J. Brown, Eli Mitchell. Rated rookie is a Kenyon Green for the Texans, Treylon Burks for the Titans, and Andrew Booth Jr. for the Vikings. Gridiron Kings Wes Welker going out to the Patriots. And then Blue Press Proofs, we have a nice Peyton Manning going out to Dan. Nice little Hall of Famer there. Dexter Lawrence. Rated rookie Blue Press Proof is a Roger McCreary. And then we have a Devin White. Lamar Jackson, Curtis Martin, John Randall, Saquon Barkley, Jim Kelly, De'Ami Brown, Damian Harris, Trey Hendrickson, Antoine Winfield Jr., Derek Carr, Jeremy Chin, Jerry Tillery, Leonard Fournette, Denzel Ward, Christian Kirk. Got a Buda Baker kind of randomly inserted there upside down. Walter Payton, Davis Mills, Aaron Jones, Darius Leonard, Eric Dickerson, Derrick Henry, Jelani Woods for the Colts, Eric Izukana, and Kingsley Ngabare for the Packers. Our insert is a Velus Jones Jr., the rookies, going out to the Bears. Bears going out to Sammy. And then there's our Kingsley again. A.J. Dillon on the blue. Anthony Barr. Blue Press Proof rated rookie Drake London. Nice hit there for the Falcons. And then our last blue out of that pack is an Antonio Gates for the Chargers. Alright, one more fat pack left, and then we have our bonus pack. Always do bonus packs here on the page. pack, guys. Micah Parsons, Dawson Knox, Miles Sanders, Xavier Howard, Rashad Bateman, Elijah Vera Tucker, Brett Favre, Cameron Brate, Myles Garrett, Justin Simmons, Mike Williams, David Njoku, Marcus Davenport, Javonte Williams, Big Ben, Robert Woods, Taylor Lewan, Jeff Okudah, Quentin Nelson, J.J. Watt, Clavon Chason, George Kittle, rated rookie Kyle Hamilton for the Ravens, Brandon Smith, Panthers, Jordan Davis. We have a throwback for the Colts, Peyton Manning on the 2002 throwback, blue press proofs Ronnie Lott, Kyle Duggar, and Trey McBride for the Cardinals, going out to Armin. And our last one is a Grady Jarrett blue press proof for the Falcons. Alright, tonight's bonus is a Zenith Value Pack. I believe the Aloha case hits can be pulled out of these. I've seen autos pulled out of them. I've not pulled any, but definitely can be done. And they also have the hobby insert there in the middle. That's always fun. Jared Goff, Josh Allen, Saquon Barkley, Leonard Fournette, Joe Mixon, Kyler Murray, Aaron Jones, Tua, Robert Woods, A.J. Brown. Our red zone is a Javonte Williams for Dale, Nick Chubb, going to Armin, and we have a red zone rookie. And that one is a Daniel Bellinger for the Giants. And then we have a Z-Team Josh Allen, I believe. Yeah, Z-Team Josh Allen for the hobby insert. And then behind the numbers, Joe Burrow. Going out to the Bengals. DJ Moore. Mark Andrews. Justin Jefferson. Matt Judon. Kyle Pitts, Terry McLaurin, Chris Jones, Cameron Hayward, Jimmy Garoppolo, Rex Burkhead, Samir White, Greg Dulcich, Cameron Thomas, Drake London rookie, and a Chad Muma. Just leave these rookies and hits up, and then we'll go through all the top loaded cards, guys. Yeah, like I said, if you guys want to bid on any of the other auctions from this weekend and you win something and you've already paid shipping for tonight, just go ahead and send me a message and I'll just charge you $1 per extra team as if you won for the same break or whatever. And any unsold teams go on the Facebook page at 9:30 a.m. the day of the break. So all of the leftover teams we had today went up at 9:30. So same thing for tomorrow. A lot of those $5 teams end up getting good hits. We hit a $5 downtown for one of our group members 2 weekends ago on the Browns. Alright guys, time for the hit breakdown. Daniel Bellinger, red zone rookie for the Giants. Josh Allen, Z-Team. Behind the numbers, Joe Burrow. Drake London. Peyton Manning, 2002 throwback. Trey McBride, blue. Treylon Burks. Gridiron Kings, Wes Welker. Roger McCreary, blue. Aiden Hutchinson. Zamir White, blue. Derek Carr, throwback. Cortland Sutton. Chris Olave. CeeDee Lamb. Trayvon Walker. Champ is here, Darrell Henderson. Keontae Ingram, blue. Brian Robinson Jr. Legend Series, Ray Lewis. Jeremy Ruckert. Dominators, Matthew Stafford. Carson Strong. Damian Pierce. Drake London. Ryan Tannehill, Elite Series. Kayvon Thibodeau, color match for the Giants. Jahan Dotson. Trey McBride, canvas. Jordan Davis, blue. Dominators, DK. Sky Moore, rated rookie. Nick Benito, blue press proof. Travis Kelce. Road to the Super Bowl, Von Miller. Kobe Bryant, blue. Elite Series, Jameson Williams. Rated rookie, Jameson Williams. George Pickens on the blue press proof, rated rookie. And then we have a few up here, some nice quarterback color. T-Law, second year, blue press proof. Peyton Manning on the blue. Velus Jones Jr. on the rookies for the Bears. Drake London, rated rookie, blue press proof. Dak Prescott, blue color match for the Cowboys. And the Kenny Pickett, rated rookie for the Steelers. Alright guys, that is a wrap for break number 410. Appreciate you guys' support and hope to see you guys again in the future. We got more breaks up on the eBay store and then always doing some nice ones on the Facebook group as well. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good evening.